President of the Ramakrishna Mission in Fiji and manager of Swami Vivekananda College, Swami Bhadreswaranandaji Maharaj, respected Swamijis, board members, trustees of Swami Vivekananda College, principal of the college, Dr. Rajesh Krishna, staff, students, and members of the Vivekananda College community, and my good friend, Dr. Gunasekaran Gaundal, Bula Binaka, good morning, namaste, and namaskaram to all of you. It is my honor and pleasure to join you to celebrate a truly momentous occasion, the Platinum Jubilee of the Sri Vivekananda College. Whenever I get an invitation to a school, I try and accept that invitation, because when I see our students, our teachers, our parents, it uplifts my spirit, my energy, and reminds me of my legacy and how I've come to be where I am. I wanted to begin by just telling you my little own story. As was told that I come from a rice farming community in Vanuatu. I come from a family of 13. 7 brothers and 6 sisters. And my mother never went to school. But I remember every morning, and many of us were growing, sometimes with small gaps in our ages. And she would wake up in the morning around probably 4 or 5, make sure that we all had our lunches, we had our breakfast, and we went to school. And when I think about her and what she thought about education, obviously, she was thinking about qualifications, schools, our career. But more than that, as Swamiji quite eloquently and rightly said, she was more concerned about building our character, building our culture, our tradition, and our values, and what we want to be in life. And I really want to take this opportunity to thank the school management for inviting me to be part of this great occasion, because, as I said, it gives me so much pleasure to be part of any celebration that remembers the legacies of our forefathers and our parents. The history of schools in Fiji is reflected in the hard work and the values that our forefathers head. And we pay tribute to all of them. 99% of the schools, almost 99% of the schools in Fiji are owned by communities, were built by communities. And it's such a great model of partnership between government, the communities, the teachers, students, and those who are part of that school community. So this milestone of 75 years of remarkable contributions to education, youth empowerment, and I see your theme is youth empowerment and nation building. What a wonderful theme you have chosen. And it is time to reflect our rich history of this esteemed institution, recognize the achievements of its community, and look forward to its future. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, Swami Vivekananda College, formerly Sri Vivekananda High School, as the principal said, was established in 1949 through the efforts of some of the visionaries like Swami Rudrananda, late Mr. A.D. Patel, Sadhu Swami, stalwarts of the Sangam. And I must say that Swami Rudrananda and Mr. A.D. Patel, both founders of the National Federation Party, were inspired by the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and were dedicated to creating an institution that would serve as a pillar of educational excellence in Fiji. Swami Vivekananda's teachings, that iconic speech that he gave to the Parliament of All Religions in Chicago in 1893, September 1893, is a legacy that we all cherish. And I often read that speech, and I just wanted to quote one paragraph out of that speech that reflects on the challenges the world faces today. And he said something like this: sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descendant, fanaticism, have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nations to despair. This is what he said in 1893. And today, in many respects, the world is still struggling with some of those ills that we are trying to grapple as politicians, as leaders, as religious leaders, community leaders, etc. So, building this institution and their foresight and commitment laid the foundation and has become a beacon of learning and character development in this country. I know that the school officially opened its doors on March 9, 1949, with just 19 students. And today I am told that you have expanded to 27 classrooms, 1,039 students, and I think this is not an ordinary achievement. As we celebrate this Platinum Jubilee it is essential to acknowledge the guiding principles that have shaped the college's journey. The vision of spirituality, character building has been central to the institution's mission, and the college has strived to foster an environment where students are not only equipped with academic knowledge, as Swamiji said quite rightly, but also imbued with values that contribute to the holistic development, an important pillar of nation building. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, students, youth empowerment is a core focus of Swami Vivekananda College, which has, and I know this, has a long-standing tradition of fostering holistic education. The school's emphasis on both academic and extracurricular excellence creates a nurturing environment that enables students to develop a wide range of skills, and by encouraging participation in sports, arts, and various cultural activities, the college ensures that students receive a well-rounded education, preparing them to become confident and capable leaders. I know that your extracurricular activities have earned the college national recognition, with students often excelling in sports, oratory, debate, creative arts. And these achievements, in my view, are testament to the college's commitment to empowering students, providing them with opportunities to explore their talents and express themselves beyond the classroom. And that, I think, is a very, very important contribution towards the broader goals of the youth empowerment, emphasizing the development of character, the leadership, and social responsibility. And by nurturing those characteristics, the school plays a pivotal role, not only academically building students, but making them socially aware and ready to contribute positively to society. I know, having some discussion with Swamiji some time back at the school has embraced innovation and technology to enhance the educational experience. The introduction of the digital learning in 2010, the adoption of Moodle in 2020, which many universities use, and the provision of Surface Go devices for teachers reflect the college's commitment to staying at the forefront of educational advancements. The opening of the Meditation Center in 2019 and the opening of the fully equipped gym in 2022 is crucial for promoting mental and physical well-being of students and teachers. Friends, the coalition government recognizes the critical role that education plays in shaping the future of our nation. As part of its commitment, we have made significant investments in improving the quality and accessibility of education across the country. As soon as we came into government, we allocated $50 million and allocated $200 back to school support to more than 223,000 students in 2023. We did the same at the beginning of this year, and we have allocated the same number of students to receive the $200 back to school support next year. Apart from this, the national budget that I announced in June 2023 got rid of the student loan scheme, forgave over $600 million in TELS debt, and replaced that with a merit-based scholarship. The budget substantial allocation in the budget of 627 million for the Ministry of Education this year. 408 million out of that 600 million has been allocated for primary and secondary education, ensuring that students across the country have access to quality learning environment. To support students from financially challenged backgrounds, we have allocated $37 million for transport assistance in the budget. And recently the Cabinet approved to fully subsidize the increased student bus fares, which will be effective from 1st September. We have strengthened the tertiary education scholarship scheme with $150 million, opening doors for higher education specialized training. Graduate business startup scheme further empowers our young youth entrepreneurs by providing them with the tools and financial support to start their own businesses, fostering a culture of innovation and growth. We continue to support educational institutions like Swami Vivekananda College, reflects a broader vision to ensure that all students have access to high quality education that prepares them for the challenges of the future. And by investing in education, the government aims to create an environment where students can thrive, acquire essential skills, and contribute positively to society. Friends, students, parents, we are very concerned about the influx of hard drugs in the country. We've seen a rapid increase in drug cases in schools and amongst the youth. We have to save this country from that scourge. We have to stop this immediately. And we need to have everyone on board with us in the fight against drugs. We have set up a Fiji Counter Narcotics Bureau under the Ministry of Home Affairs and Immigration, which is a critical step in law enforcement, intelligence gathering, and public awareness efforts. This bureau will play a central role in tackling drug-related issues and coordinating with various stakeholders, including government agencies, private sector entities, and civil society organizations. We have also approved a counter-narcotics strategy 2023 to 2028, focusing on reducing demand, supply, harm associated with drugs. And this strategy also includes legislative reforms, data collection, and establishment of a dedicated drug addiction treatment center. Beyond drugs, the government is also addressing violence amongst youth through community programs and educational initiatives. These efforts are aimed at creating safer environments for our young people and providing them with the support that they need to thrive. And by working closely with communities, government is striving to curb violence and ensure that youth have access to positive role models and opportunities for personal growth. And as we commemorate the Platinum Jubilee of this very esteemed college, the dedication of the past, present management, staff and students, parents, donors, well-wishers that have been instrumental in shaping the students' legacy. And I know your unwavering support and commitment have played a crucial role in college achievements and growth. And I want to say this to the students of the college. You are not just the future, you're also the present. How you behave now, how you study, what you do on your way from home to the school, and your way back from school to home determines what happens today, how your parents see you. That then sets a foundation for your future. The message, very important message of this school, and a message that should be part of every school, every educational institution in this country, is to embrace the values of diligence, honesty, integrity, and as Swami said, creativity as you continue your educational journey. Your achievements today is going to build the foundation for a brighter future for our nation. I want to take this opportunity also to thank the principal, staff and students, management for your dedication in nurturing our students and instilling with them those values and principles of integrity, excellence, honesty, service that will continue to resonate far beyond these walls. And as I said at the beginning, the college legacy is not just its academic and extracurricular achievements, but also in the countless individuals who've been inspired and empowered by the experiences here. I think the challenge now on all of us, all of you, is to build on this legacy with renewed vigor and enthusiasm so that students can excel, innovate and contribute meaningfully to the nation's progress. The journey of Swami Vivekananda College is a reminder or is a testament to the power of vision and perseverance. And it sets a shining example of what can be accomplished through a steadfast commitment to education and holistic development. As we celebrate 75 years of excellence and look towards the future, let us all renew our commitment to the ideals of education, character building, nation building, youth empowerment, and this college and all of you students and teachers today in this college, you set that vision, you provide that hope. And I want to warmly congratulate all of you for celebrating this momentous occasion, reminding the country about the legacy of this college and what it has offered in the last 75 years and what it has already set out to do for the next 75 years and more. So congratulations, Tunaka Vakalevu, Dhanyawad, and thank you.